Education. Myself Saboni Dhara, and today students we will going to start with a very interesting and a new topic which is called report writing. So students, what do you mean by report writing? So students, a report writing is a written account of an event occurred recently. That is what called report writing. So students, report writing includes facts, truthfulness, and also observation of the facts or events. So this is what it includes in report writing. The writing skills where one's personal information or the opinion is not required. It is not included in the report writing. Report writing includes the fact, as I just told you just now. So it includes only the fact, the truthfulness of an event which has to be covered by you all students, and you need to write in a very systematic and a proper way. So students, a report writing has a specific composition. It has to be written in a proper systematic format, which I just going to let you know about it, so that you all can score a very good marks in report writings. The format of a report writing is heading, name of the reporter, dateline, opening paragraph, detailed paragraph, conclusion or suggestions if any. And the very important part is this, that you all should write report writing in a particular box by framing a particular box. So this is a proper format for a report writing. But what to write in which topics, I just let you know right now. Headlines means what, and what to write in headlines. Headlines or headings of a report writing should be the main criteria which is asked in the question. So students, for example, if in your report writing question they are asking you to write on the basis of Science Exhibition 2020, 20 or 2021. So how you will going to write? You just need to write in the between of the report writing stating Science Exhibition 2021. So whatever it is, it will going to give you in the question only. And from there only, you need to take out the main important topic and you need to write in the headlines. Is name of the reporter. So name of the reporter includes the person who is writing the report. You need to write on the very right hand side of the report writing, stating your name, and below that you have to mention with the bracket reporter. Students, the next one is dateline. So dateline includes date of that particular event occurred, and the next one is place where it has been done or where it has been occurred. So that you need to write. It is a very important point in the report writing, which will going to placed on the left hand side of the report writing, and that is very, very important. So without fail, you have to write and mention the date and the place where the event has been occurred. Students, what is the next one? The very important thing is opening paragraph. So students, in the opening paragraph, there is an introduction of the event happened. Okay, and also you need to mention when, where, what. So these all things are very much important to mention in the opening paragraph. Students, the next one is about the detailed paragraph. In detailed paragraph, you just need to mention why and how. So these two things you need to mention according to the event of a report writing. Okay, and Accordingly, you need to fill some of the details which should be based on how and why of that particular event in the detailed paragraph. So now the second last point is about conclusions or suggestions, if any. So conclusions, what you have concluded by attaining that event, okay, and what is the suggestions, if any, if it is possible. It's not necessary that you need to give the suggestions in each and every report writing, but if your the event is in that manner, you need to suggest few of the points on this particular conclusion paragraph. And the very last point is very, very important, that all the things you need to write in a proper format in a box, because anything whichever and whatever the news or the reports you are reading from the newspapers, those are always been observed in a proper format of a rectangular shape. So that is why don't forget to make your report writing in that manner and to keep the report writing in that particular box only, not beyond the box. So this is what all about a proper format of a report writing, students. I hope you got the things and you able to do and perform in the final board exams. Now, tricks for writing report writing. Students, you need to read the newspapers or the magazines where you can get to know about some of the report cases. So you will able to guess out the language what they have used, and you can also imply in your examination paper. Also, if you will keep continuously reading the newspaper, this will also affect and improve your vocabulary power and the language of writing. So keep reading newspapers and magazines for writing a very good report writing. So this is all about report writing, how to write it, and what are the tips of writing report writing with the proper format. Students, now I think you got to know what do you mean by all this. And I hope so you like this video a lot. Keep subscribe my channel Dhara Education. Like it, subscribe it, comment positively and share with your friends. So please do take care of yourself and your family too, and wear mask compulsory. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day.